Hi, Nick.
Hey Ali, long time no see, huh?
Can you introduce me to Insurtech system on business insurance?
Insurtech system? Okay, but first let me tell you on why these people create this system. Let's see.
Technology, its impact on your world of work. The world of work is constantly changing. 65% of children entering primary school today will be doing new jobs that don't yet exist. Technologies that haven't yet been invented will solve problems that aren't even problems yet. You are part of the fourth industrial revolution. Technology is changing quickly. It affects most things you do in life and will impact how you work in the future. What you think is modern and technologically advanced now might look old and slow in 5 to 10 years' time. Think about how the iPhone has changed over the last 10 years.
As you can see, Ali, the technology has completely changed. So Ali, a rapid journey regard to digitalization has put the insurance industry on the edge of paradigm shift. So the change of tempo has rapidly increased due to the volume of electronic data and due to the universal of mobile interference, plus the expanding power of artificial intelligence like yourself, Ali. So, as we know that years before, company with the digital supervision were only at the forefront industry, but today, as we can see, digital will being felt in every level of landscape. In addition, today's society grows through the digital technology and has reshaped the customer expectation and reanalyzed the boundary across the industry. So, it is logic that insurers surely cannot run from this phenomenon, as the traditional industry has long gone. So, the future needs to be influenced by the technology and ecosystem. So, Ali, if you become the management of insurance business, what would you do? Would you choose to continue in a traditional way, or you will step in an Insurtech system?
Definitely traditional way for me.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, that's okay. But for me, I will definitely choose the Insurtech system because Insurtech system has a lot of opportunity for the businesses, especially the insurance business, and has a lot of advantage. Let me show you. Okay, Ali, number 1, the opportunity to the management itself. By Insurtech system, the insurance company can varietize their product and system. Why? Because it will able to provide customer an end-to-end insurance proposition, which covers literally everything from risk protection to risk advice and prevention, plus with variety of other services. Okay, Ali, there is a trend where Insurtech company insert and leveraging existing traditional customer bases while they make an offer of a new business. Efficient, isn't it? As we know, to set up an insurance, we must know first the customer conditions such as their condition of health, their surrounding of working, and others' perspective. So this require insurance agent to have the knowledge to specialize them in right category. So with the help of technology and machine that capable to learn and analyze billions of patterns and choose the suitable underwriting will give a big help to the agent. So this might change the customer perspective on the company, which give them the best result of underwriting and might also make them want to stay longer and loyal. So there is some example of Insurtech such as Extract and Flux. Extract can identify a challenge in insurance industry by able to avoid claims responsibility of claim handler by making costly decisions with the inaccurate information. So by using AI to visually create accident of damage to picture of what happened, so user can use their smartphone to create the situation in front of the claim handler. The next example is Flux. Have the ability to quantifying the complex risk in real time by making real-time data from different resources, which will make the result is immediately. Thus, the business of Flux started in the drone industry that will make they understand more in the real-time risk. By using the technology, the underwriting cost will be lower, where the drones are the satellite on steroid, which at least far as underwriting process. So by that, the insurer can gain data of real-time information from the technology which have better underwriting. And on the side of customer, they will pay less for the additional charge on the insurance. Nowadays, you must heard that there is a lot of fraud cases, right? So let me tell you, fraud can come in any shape and size. That may result the insurance company losses billions of dollars around the globe. So in the features such as digital signature technology will lower the fake insurance account activation that led to the fraud. So as you know, the data analysis also applied to detect fraud by improve fraud detection process and prevent claims spread out during the analysis on claims, and fraud enhance the risk management. With the use of technology such as the artificial intelligence like you, the machine learning or the data analytic will make the business more intense, yet very helpful. So Ali, regarding to that, I think every business should adapt to technology advancement regardless to the cost and the other difficulty to adapt the Insurtech system. The businesses should sit on the good side of Insurtech because at the end of the day, the technology will help them to achieve their aim and ease their business